In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Wpforms not sending email notifications. Getting these notifications up and running again is crucial to ensure you're receiving all important form submissions promptly. There are a few steps to check and adjustments to be made, so let's dive right in. First, it's essential to verify that email notifications are actually enabled for your form. To do this, start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for Wpforms in the menu on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click on it to reveal the drop-down, then select All Forms. This will bring up a list of all the forms you've created so far. You'll want to identify the specific form that's having issues with notifications. Once you find it, click on Edit beneath its title. Now that you're in the form editor, your focus should shift to the settings of this particular form. Look towards the menu on the left and find the option labeled Settings. When you click it, a new submenu will appear. From there, select Notifications. This is where you'll manage everything related to email alerts for your form. As soon as you're in the notification settings, the first thing to check is whether the notifications are enabled. At the very top, you should see an option or toggle labeled Enable Notifications. Ensure this toggle is turned on. If it's not enabled, your form won't be sending any emails, which could potentially cause a lot of confusion, so double-check to ensure it's activated. While you're here, it might also be a good idea to scroll through the rest of the notification settings, just to make sure everything looks correct. Check the email recipient fields to ensure you're sending emails to the right address. Additionally, review other details like the subject line and message that accompanies your email notifications. Making sure these fields are correctly set up will help in troubleshooting any future issues. If you're finding it difficult to get emails even after ensuring notifications are enabled, consider checking your web host's email practices. Some hosting providers have strict email sending limits or filters, which can sometimes block or divert your emails to spam. Using an SMTP plugin might be a beneficial workaround if that's the case, as it can significantly enhance email deliverability by authenticating your emails properly. To wrap things up, spend a moment to save any changes before leaving this page. It's always a good practice to double-check that everything is saved, just so you don't lose any of your adjustments. Once that's done, you can exit the form editor. And there you have it. You should now be equipped to address the issue of Wpforms not sending email notifications, improving your ability to receive crucial submissions without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out with any questions or for further assistance.